If you are not investing into your SEO for yourself or for your clients, you're really only hurting yourself, because once you stop advertising, the money stops flowing, the leads stop flowing, and the traffic stops flowing. And that's not what you want. So today's video, I'm gonna talk to you guys about our newest SEO tool that's gonna help you guys rank, and it's gonna give you custom tailored options to be able to get the most out of your SEO. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Hey guys, welcome back to another Adrian Graphics training. I'm Adrian Boysel, CEO and founder of Adrian Graphics and Marketing. And today I'm gonna talk to you guys about our newest pricing tool that's gonna help you get the absolute best SEO that you've ever had. 100% transparency, 100% clarity. You know exactly what you're paying for, and we'll be able to give you a really accurate representation of what you're gonna get for that. So step one is understanding targeted cities. Targeted cities is very important because if you're a local business, you need to own your own backyard first before you start expanding nationwide. And so this local SEO tool is going to help you first understand local targeted cities. Whether you just want to go after your main town, like I'm in Lincoln, California, that's going to help you understand that you got to go after one city first, own that, and then you move on to another one. So targeted cities is going to give you a targeted region around your home base where your actual address is. You can do 1, 3, 5, 10, or as many as you want, but I always encourage people to start smaller. You eat the elephant one bite at a time. So you can do that if you want. You can do multiple cities, but I want to encourage you guys to start small and work your way up from there once you start getting results. Step two is backlinks. Backlinks are really important because those are other websites that are referring back to your website with a link, whether some anchor text or it's a blog post or something like that. They call it guest posts, that's linking back to your website. These links will give you what's called juice in the industry, will give you authority and help your website rank higher on the search engines. A lot of the websites that are outranking you now have more authority, and they have more authority because they have more links, they may have better content, they may have more content. Backlinks is not one of the things that you want to skimp out on. It's a very important investment and really critical to you ranking. There's good backlinks, there's great backlinks, and there's the best backlinks. And those can be lower rating 30 to 35s. You can get some really great backlinks, which are 50 to 90s. And then we can get you amazing backlinks like edu domains and .govs. And those links carry a ton of authority and a ton of trust. If you're getting a local government website to talk about you, that's gonna outweigh almost any other website. Backlinks are a really important part of your SEO strategy, and I want you to just understand that going into this so there's 100% transparency and clarity. Step number three is your optimized pages. From the structure of the page, to the content that's on that page, to the internal linking, to the outbound linking, and even the speed of that website. A lot of people miss this step, and this is where we excel. You don't want to skip over optimizing your page because it's going to hurt your overall SEO, making sure that the title, the descriptions, and everything that's on that page is set up perfectly. And step number four is new posts. This can be blog posts, this on your website, and this could be guest posts on other websites. Getting posts and getting content written on a regular basis, whether that's once a week, twice a week, 5 days a week, or every day of the month, is a really great SEO strategy. They say that content is king, and this is an area that we really excel as having copywriters on our team. We can write those posts for you. We can get other posts on other websites written for you on highly authoritative websites like Fox, ABC, CNBC, NBC. This is through doing press releases, through doing blog posts and guest posts. So this is a really important service. No matter how many you want, you can custom tailor that right on our website. Number five is the GMB setup. And if you don't know what GMB stands for, you're about to learn right now. GMB is Google My Business. It's a tool and a resource like a social media platform basically, but on Google that allows you to upload all of your company information from your photos, your logos, your videos, regular posts. You can do daily posts, updates, offers. This is an amazing feature to have that Google offers you for absolutely nothing. But sometimes it can be hard for people to get a verified GMB location if they don't have the address. You can't do it with UPS stores and certain Regis offices. You have to get a verified office location. And if you need help with that, we can do that. And that's the beauty of our GMB pricing tool. We'll actually get you the verified location, verify it through the postcard. We'll actually set it up for you. And this is a really important step to helping you get more leads, because 7 out of 10 searches right now online with Google are happening and they're going to the Google My Business listings. So very important. I want you to be up to speed on that. Now, number 6, and this is a really critical step to the GMB, is actually optimizing your profile, your GMB profile correctly. A lot of people just set up the basics. They've uploaded their logo, their hours, their website, and their phone number, and they may put a couple images in there, but that's about as far as they go. We will go in there and optimize everything from top to bottom and not miss a single step, including your services. Optimizing those services with keywords. We know how to rank your Google My Business listing correctly. Well, we're not going to miss anything, and we're also going to be able to manage that for you on a monthly basis. So this is a really critical part, is getting the GMB set up, optimizing it, and then managing it on a regular basis. Now, step number 7 is actually managing that Google My Business on a monthly basis. And this is one of my favorite parts because a lot of people don't really do anything with their Google My Business. They just leave it stagnant and it just decays. We got to go out and get you reviews. We got to upload posts. We got to upload videos, we got to respond to reviews, and we got to rank your Google My Business location with citations. Citations is a technical term that we use for mentions in the SEO industry, but this is an important step to actually ranking your Google My Business, because just having a GMB isn't enough. You have to go out there and actively grow that Google My Business and expand the reach of how many people are seeing it. Most people are only going to see position 1, 2, and 3. If you're anything below that, you're gonna get a lot less views. But if you are in what they call the map pack in that top 3, because we ranked you and put you there, you're gonna get a lot more business coming in the door, and it's gonna bring a lot more leads. And that's ultimately what you want at the end of the day, because that's gonna drive more revenue. And step number 8 is directory submission. Google is king. There's no denying that. But there are other search engines. And to be exact, and I actually shouldn't say exact because nothing is exact in the world, but to be accurate as possible, is there's about 60 to 70 main directories that we can list you on. And out of those 60 to 70 directories, we don't want to have to do those individually one at a time. And then if you ever have anything change, we have to go back and change each one of those. We have an amazing software that we sell to our clients that we offer as part of this service, where we can list you in all of these directories at once, including Google. And if we ever need to change anything, we go into this system, we update it, and it updates it to all the other directories. So this is a powerful tool. We can even do some keyword rank tracking. There's some amazing features as part of this, but this is an important step that you're gonna need if you're doing SEO to make sure that your stuff is submitted to all the directories, not just Google. There's Yahoo, there's Bing, there's MSN, there's MapQuest, there's all kinds of companies that are still out there that people are still searching. So this is an area to pick up more business, to be able to drive in more traffic, and it's gonna help you overall. So I'm really, really proud, and I'm very, very excited to show you our SEO tool that you can actually custom price out whatever it is you need, something that's gonna fit your needs, not just a cookie cutter templated SEO program for $2,000, $3,000. We're gonna give you exactly what you need and nothing less. So this is my video. This is what I wanted to share with you guys today. I'm super excited, really grateful that you guys got to spend this time with me to learn about our new SEO tool. I appreciate every single one of you, and please make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below, because I'm making awesome content every single week, every Tuesday and Thursday, and sometimes Wednesdays. So I'll see you guys back here for the next video, and as always, keep looking up.